Mrs. Albana Ilo, Associate Professor at the Technical University Vienna Institute of Energy Systems and Electrical Drives. My first question is, what is wrong with the current approach to integration of the centralized energy systems?
So we cannot say it is wrong because this is the history how the power systems are developed. But we have now a completely new situation where the structure of power system is changed. That means we have, at the beginning, we had some big power plants that generated the energy and it was transmitted through the grid to the customers. Now we have the rise of the distributed resources. That means we have a completely under structure of the power systems, and that means the old philosophy of operation of power systems has to be revised. And we think that now it is necessary to have a holistic view of the power systems, because you know, a power system is the largest, the biggest machine that human being had ever built it up. It is stretching up to one continent. And this one here, for that reason, the operation of this one here, it is separated on different company types, transmission, distribution. And each of this company, it is working on his own area, trying to optimize his own area, and sometimes without having the overview what's going on to the other ones. And with the new development where also the distributed energy resources are installed in customer plants level, we need a holistic view on this one, because there are internal interdependencies on the grid that do not know borders of the companies. And for that reason, it is needed, in our opinion, a holistic view if you would like to go to a new area of the power systems.
Could you specify what should be three main points in this holistic approach?
Three main points, it means that in the solutions, you have to consider also the borders and respect the borders. That means the borders of the companies that are set artificially, the borders on this big machine, okay? And for that reason, this should be treated together, because what we see, there are, for example, projects, research projects, are concentrated only in transmission without taking care a lot what's going on in distribution. But we have a large dynamic also in customer plant levels. And all this stuff has to be considered, has to be coordinated, that the power system can be operated reliably and feasibly, as it is today.
How to finance the development of the grid without public aid and without passing on investment costs on the grid, on the energy consumers?
So everything has to be passed somehow also to the energy consumers. So we have all to pay for this one here. But for that reason, the EU Commission introduced in 2016 the concept of the local energy community or energy community to promote the integration of the distributed generation, because this is the idea behind. And in my opinion, the key word nowadays, it is the energy communities who should be developed very close, in a very close interaction with the DSOs and then also with the TSOs. Exactly to just, we should have this holistic view.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.